Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and we are outside of Walgreens to do our Walgreens haul. So if you guys are new to the channel, every Sunday I do my CVS haul, and every Monday I do my Walgreens haul for you guys so I can share the different deals that are going on and any booster coupons we may have. So today I checked my account. There are a ton of booster coupons available. I got a get 2,000 points when you spend $10 on paper products. I got the same thing, but when you spend $10 on dish soap or laundry soap. So we're gonna be definitely using those today. I also got a spend 20, get 5,000 point booster. I've been hearing they have some spend 30, get 6,000 points. So it just depends on your account. Different accounts get different boosters. So make sure you guys check that as soon as possible and send those to your card so they don't disappear, because they will disappear if a certain amount of people send them to their card and use them. We also have that amazing beauty event going on that's going to be the 23rd to the 25th of January. So there is the in-store paper coupon that you guys want to get from your beauty consultant. It looks like this. There's also a digital version. Some accounts will get it, some won't. My account, I did get it. I was so excited. So make sure you guys send that to your card as well, because typically those two stack. So in essence, instead of just spend 25, get 7,000 points, we're gonna get spend 25, get 14,000 points back. So every time we have a beauty event, we always have the most amazing money maker. So I'm super excited about that. So today we're gonna be doing 3 transactions for the different boosters. So of course I will explain them all to you guys. The good thing about today's haul is a lot of these coupons are digital coupons or printable coupons that you guys can use. So you don't even need your inserts for most of the deals I'm doing today, which is awesome. We're going to be using the IVC coupon booklet. So when we go into Walgreens, we're going to pick that up first thing. It's right next to the Walgreens ads, and they're completely free. So if you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing a subscriber appreciation giveaway, my first of many to come. So I'm super excited about that. Thank you to everyone who does support my channel and who is already a subscriber. So let's head inside and take advantage of all these deals this week. Okay, so the first transaction, we are going to be using the booster, spend $10 on paper products, get 2,000 points back. So our first stop is some Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper. They're always $5, as you see, it's marked right on the packaging. So they're always going to be $5. It's for the 12 big rolls. They are $5. Then you're going to use this $1.25 off coupon from the, if I can get it, Walgreens Book of Savings. So this you get at the front of the store. It's completely free. This is on page 11. Now it shows a photo of the paper towels, but if you read it, it has the Scott Comfort Plus bath tissue as well. So we are going to go ahead and pick up one of these, add these to our cart. Now we are going to use a 50-cent off coupon. This is from previous inserts, but if you go on scottbrand.com, sign up for that, register with your email, you can print a 50-cent coupon as well. So anyone can do this deal. That's going to bring this one down to just $175, $125, let me check. $3. It's going to be $5. We're going to take off $1.25. And then, and then the 50-cent coupon, so it's going to be $3.25. So not bad, but we're going to pick up more items because we have to spend 10. Now, with these boosters, you have to spend $10 after the IVC coupons. So like picking up 2 of these is $5 and $5. That's $10, but we're taking off $2.50 in IVC coupons. So it's like we're only spending $7.50. So if I stopped right there, that would not, the 2,000 points would not go on my account. So we're gonna pick up one of these as well, use that same thing, that same IVC coupon, and on scottbrand.com again, we can print out, some accounts even have $1. I have been able to print $1 in the past, but for some reason it was only 50 cents this time, but it's still gonna work. So we're gonna print this out. It's gonna make it $3.25 as well. So let's go pick up some more paper products so we can finalize our first transaction. Okay, so this is gonna be my first transaction for the spend $10 on paper products, get 2,000 points back. So we are going to be using 3 of these coupons. You just have them scan it and it will attach to all the different items. That'll take off $3.75. We're gonna use 2 50-cent coupons for the Scott, a 50-cent coupon for the Scott Comfort Plus. So after the IVC, after all coupons, and after that 2,000 points back, final cost is going to be about $8.25 for 3 or $2.75 each, which I didn't think was a bad deal. If you get the higher value dollar off printable coupons and 75-cent printable coupons, of course you're out of pocket and your final cost is going to be a lot lower. My out of pocket on this is going to be $10.25. You can pay it down with register rewards, but you would have to get some filler items because we have coupons for all of these items. You'd have to pick up a couple candy bars or something like that, so you guys can use some register rewards to pay down your out of pocket. Okay, so we are going to do our spend 25, get 5,000 point scenario. We're in the deodorant section and we have some amazing Ibotta rebates as well, which is gonna make this a super hot deal. So what we're gonna do is pick up 2 of these secret sprays here. They are all on sale, buy one, get one half off. When you buy 4, you get 4,000 points. So we're gonna pick up 1 of each because that's all they have left. Add these to our cart. Then we're gonna pick up 2 of these. So there is an Ibotta rebate. It says it is for the Sweat Defense, but the Sweat Defense is not on sale and I did scan it. Now this one I scanned with the Ibotta rebate and it says that it worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these as well. These are also $7.99, buy one, get one half off. So the second one is gonna be $3.99. Now my, those are $79 as well. Okay, so online, these show that they were $6.99, so my math is gonna be a little off, but we're gonna pick up 4 of those. Then we're gonna use a $5.99 off of 2 secret deodorant. It is a digital coupon. So it works for these. So it's a $5.99 off of 2 digital coupon. Then we have a $1 off of any 2 Old Spice. So it can work on these, it can work on any of these. So make sure you guys are scanning them in your app just to make sure in case there's anything weird. Sometimes different scents don't work for different coupons and different rebates. So it's always super important that you scan first. I'll show you guys the exact Ibotta rebates after, and I'll show you guys the exact coupons and boosters that I'm using throughout each transaction. Okay, so this is the last deal we're going to do for our spend 25, get 5,000 points booster. It is on the Dixie plates. They are buy one, get one free. I always stock up on Dixie plates when this deal comes around because I use these all the time in my house. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of the big ones. So they're $3.99. Again, anyone can do this deal because we're using digital coupons. There's a $1 off 2 digital coupon, so that would make the final cost $2.99 for 2 or $1.49 each. But of course, we are going to be combining this with that booster deal. So let's go over the final details on this transaction. Okay, so this is what the transaction is gonna look like. The total is going to be for all these products $27.96. We have the $5.99 off 2 coupon for the Secret. We have a $1 coupon for the Old Spice and a $1 coupon for the Dixie plates. Then we're gonna pay $19.97 out of pocket. Now I have 2 $4 register rewards from last week that I'm gonna use to pay down this out of pocket. The reason why I can use them with no filler items is because the $1 off 2 coupon for this is gonna attach to 1 because it's a $1 off of 2. So 1 item is gonna be free. Same with this, it's $5.99 off of 2, so that'll attach to 1. This is a $1 off of 2, so technically I could use another register reward if I had it. Wish I did, but I do not. So I'm gonna pay $11.97 out of pocket plus taxes, but we're going to get back $2 each on Ibotta for this. That's $4 back. Then we're gonna get $2 back each for the Secret. That's another $4 back. That's gonna be $8 in cash back from Ibotta. We're also going to get 4,000 points for doing the Secret and Old Spice deal, and 5,000 points from that booster. So final cost is gonna be just $2.97 for all 6 items, or 49 cents each, which I thought was an amazing deal. And out of pocket, it's only going to technically be $3.97 plus tax, because we're getting $8 in actual cash back from Ibotta that we can always send to our account after our account hits $20. So if you guys are new to Ibotta, I will post a video linked at the end of this video and in the description box for how to. My referral code is below as well, so you guys can sign up, be part of my team, so we can help each other get as many bonuses as possible. Okay, so it's time to stock up on some laundry products. So I got a laundry booster as well. Spend $10, get 2,000 points back. So the laundry deal that I'm gonna do is on the Tide, and it's also on these Unstoppables. The deal is buy 3, get 1 free. So you can pick up one of these. It also works for the 120 count bounce dryer sheets. It also works on the Tide Pods here. And of course, the smaller Tide Liquid. There is a $2 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid. I am going to pick up a couple of these. I'm gonna grab a Febreze. Add those to my cart. Cart's looking pretty full now because we are doing 3 transactions. Then I'm gonna grab a Tide Pods because there is a $2 coupon for the Tide Pods. And we are gonna grab one of these Downy Unstoppables. Let's smell this one. Ooh, that one smells amazing. Yeah, let's grab this one. Okay, so let's go over the final numbers. I don't have any coupons or anything for this, so I only have 2 $2 digital coupons for the Tide. So total is going to be $14.97 for the Tide products here and the Tide Pods. So it's gonna be $14.97 because they're $4.99 each, but buy 3, this one is gonna be free or whichever. So after the 2 $2 off coupons, we're going to pay $10.97 out of pocket. If you have any register rewards, you can use, like I'd be able to use 2 register rewards because I only have 2 coupons. I'm not actually sure if a register reward will count with a free item, so bring a filler item just in case you have an issue checking out. So we're gonna pay $10.97 out of pocket, get back 2,000 points, so final cost is $8.97 for all 4 products, which is not a bad deal for some Tide laundry. Some other hot deals I just want to share with you guys is on the Arm & Hammer, especially this one for sensitive skin. A lot of people reach out to me and want some deals on things for sensitive skin. I know the Free and Clear is good for people with allergies as well, but look how big this one is, 32 loads. This is 50 fluid ounces and it's included in buy 1, get 2 free. So the final cost when you pick up 3 of those is gonna be just $2.33 each. We do not have any coupons, unfortunately, but I still thought that was an amazing deal. Now, the all buy 1, get 1 free, I would stay away from because they're $6.49. You're only allowed to use a coupon on one of them. We have $1 off coupons for the liquid if they're still available. But still, you'd be paying $5.49 for 2 or $2.75 each, which is not the best deal. We've been getting them for 99 cents or $1.99. Also, in my Ibotta haul that I did, we were able to get this 88-ounce one for like $3.49. So that would be a way better deal. So I would just kind of steer clear of the all deal for right now. And then the Persil is also on sale $4.99 with a $2 digital, makes it just $2.99. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens. Of course, we had some hiccups with the digital coupons. If you guys are used to couponing at Walgreens, you know, unfortunately, we deal with this pretty much week in and week out. I'm not sure why, because we never have these issues at CVS. So I'm not sure what goes on with their system, but the $5.99 off of 2 for the Secret deodorant spray did not come off. So for these guys, the $5.99 did not come off, unfortunately, so I have to call customer service about that. Also, I had a Tide Digital for the $2 off of the liquid. That one did not come off. Only the $2 for the Tide Pods came off, so I have to call them about that one. So I wound up spending way more out of pocket than I wanted, which is a bummer because I always try to keep my out of pocket as low as possible for you guys. But we did get all the points back. All the booster coupons worked perfectly, so that was definitely a win for the day. So I want to share with you guys my receipts like I always do so you guys can see exactly what I spent out of pocket. So my first transaction was on the paper products. I got the Scott Plus toilet paper. I got 2 of the paper towels. All my coupons that I gave her came off because they were paper coupons, so I usually don't have any issues with that. Then with taxes, it was $10.80, and I just paid that out of pocket. But I got back, it doesn't really print it very well, but that's a 2,000 points for that paper product booster coupon. So that was good. The next transaction I did was on the Dixie plates and the deodorant. So this one was a high out of pocket. So I got the 2 Dixie plates. They rang up buy one, get one free at $3.99. I got the Secret Spray, $7.99. It's buy one, get one half off. Old Spice, same thing. The $1 off coupon, I gave her a paper coupon for the Dixie plates because I saw that the digitals were having issues and I just wanted to try to keep my out of pocket as low as possible. So I did give her a paper coupon for that from the previous insert. My Old Spice did come off. Then I used 2 register rewards on this for $4 that I had from last week, but I still had to pay $19.91 out of pocket, which was a lot. But then I got back, it says bonus points. So this line is obviously like messed up. I think it says 14,000 because now I have 26,000, and on my other receipt, I only had, where is it? I only had 11,900. So I think it gave me 14,000 points. I'm not sure why, because I got 5,000 points from the booster and 4,000 points for the secret deal. So where the other 5,000 points came from, I'm not sure, unless I hit beauty from the deodorant, but I don't think deodorant counts towards beauty because when you look it up on beauty, I checked that before I went. Deodorant isn't listed in the beauty products, so I'm not sure. That's just the only thing I can think of, because when you spend $50 on beauty products, you get 5,000 points back. And my last transaction was on the Tide, buy 3, get 1 free. So this one I paid $14, and again, that line is off, but it's $14.02 out of pocket. They rang up buy 3, get 1 free. I wound up getting actually 3 Tide Liquid and 1 Tide Pods because a lot of my friends and family use the Tide Liquid, so I try to help them out and give it to them as much as possible. Coworkers, kind of you name it, they'll kind of buy them off of me sometimes as well. So I paid $14.02 out of pocket on this transaction. Got back another 2,000 points. So now my total is 28,370 points, which is awesome. Because when I first started, I was at like 9,000 points. I didn't even have 10,000 points to use a $10 reward. So I'm happy with that. I have to call customer service to get those points back. We did submit our receipt to Ibotta. Make sure you guys do that right away so you do not forget. I will post a how-to video right here for how to use Ibotta. I will post the other videos that I've done this week as well. My CVS haul, which was an amazing haul. Everything was for free, super low out of pocket, and a moneymaker at the end. And of course, if you guys have not subscribed yet, you can hit my little face icon right here and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.